Do you want to instantly reduce your face puffiness? Tired of having puffy cheeks for your next outing and you need to take some selfies? Or you have graduation photos? I'm going to show you 3 simple tricks that will instantly reduce your face puffiness, giving you a slimmer, more defined face. Shout out to this YouTube comment for the suggestion for the video. Starting off with the most simple solution, ice. All you have to do is get some ice, let it melt just a little bit so it's not dry, and then you're going to slowly apply it across your face. I usually do about 10 seconds on this side, and then I go to the other side, 10 seconds, and then I do circles. And the other side. So basically you do about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Make sure you get under your chin as well. Instant results. The ice works by reducing the inflammation in your face, giving it a firmer, tighter, and less bloated look. Next up, we have cream of tartar. You can get this from anywhere, Walmart, Amazon, anywhere there's cooking stuff, this is where it will be. You take 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, take it with some water, and the high levels of potassium in the cream of tartar will make your face less bloated because of the sodium-potassium pump mechanism. You will see results start in as little as 30 minutes. Next up, we have a Korean beauty facial massage. And what this does is it helps drain any excess lymphatic fluid that is floating around in your face. This is also great for your skin and helps keep you younger longer. So overall, this is great. Now, you always want to do this with some type of lubricant. I prefer black seed oil or Aquaphor. I actually have a special Aquaphor combination where I mix in a little bit of vitamin E and menthol into my Aquaphor. I have it right here. So then you take a nice glob of it, about this much, and then you apply it on your face. Be generous with it. Now you see this white thing starting to foam up is because my face is still cold from the ice. So it makes it look white like that. Usually does not turn white, and it usually happens around hairy areas like your beard. And this is completely normal if your face is cold. Usually when you're in room temperature and your face is like warm, you won't get this. Put some on the nubs of your knuckles. I like to use these 2 knuckles when I do my Korean beauty facial massages. Start right under your cheekbone and go out. Do this 6 times. After you do that, you want to drain it down your neck. You do that 3 times. Afterwards, I get under the eye for the puffiness. I take 2 fingers like this, place it here, and then under, circle, and then down. Under, circle by the temple, and then down the lymphatic tubes. I do this 6 times as well. Next up, you want to get the main duct down here. Put the knuckles at the hairline, and then trace down. You do this 6 times as well. Next up, we want to reduce the double chin. What you do is you take these 2 fingers and you grab that double chin, right? Grab in deep, get the fleshy part, but don't grab your esophagus, right? Pinch it, and you'll feel like mucus starting to catch in the back of your throat. That's good. And then pinch it all the way. Keep a nice tight grip down and swallow while you're going down. You might taste something weird. That is the build up nasty phlegm that's giving you that double chin. And you do the other side as well. Grip, trace, nice and tight, swallow. Ugh. That is gross. Now these 3 will give you an instantly slimmer and more defined face, but you need to understand that these are all temporary, and if you want a permanently better jawline and slimmer face, you should look into reducing your body fat percentage and mewing. Mewing is the proper placement of the tongue in your mouth combined with nasal breathing to give you a more symmetrical face and better jawline. I have a full video demonstrating on how to mew up here. So make sure you give that a look. And doing these things and eating less bloating foods will give you a better jawline and more defined face. I hope this helped, and if you guys are interested in more content like this, or if you need any other suggestions for making your lives better, make sure you drop a comment below and I'll make a video on it.